Hi. Welcome to Class 10. Storytelling and Emotional Triggers. Learning Objectives. By the end of this class, you will understand what brand storytelling is and why it drives conversions. Learn how to build authority and credibility through narrative. Master emotional triggers and sensory language to connect deeply with audiences. Analyze a powerful real-world case study, Apple's Think Different. Apply storytelling to create a brand story for a new product. Section 1. The Power of Storytelling in Copywriting. What is storytelling in copywriting? Storytelling is using a narrative structure, characters, conflict, resolution, to communicate a brand's values, mission, and product benefits. It goes beyond features, it speaks to emotions, aspirations, and identity. Why it matters. Neuroscience shows that stories activate the brain's sensory areas, making information more memorable. People are 22 times more likely to remember a story than a fact, Harvard Business Review. A compelling brand story makes customers feel part of something bigger. How to apply it. Focus on the customer as the hero, not just your product. Structure, relatable problem transformation journey desired outcome. Use authenticity and consistency across all channels. Section 2. Crafting a brand story that resonates. The core ingredients of a brand story. The hero, the customer, not the company. Example, Nike positions the athlete, not the shoe, as the hero. The struggle/conflict. Identify the customer's main pain point or aspiration. Example, you're tired of juggling tasks with no results. The guide, the brand, your role. Position yourself as the mentor who shows the path. Example, with our system, you'll achieve results without the overwhelm. The transformation. Show how life changes with your solution. Example, from working 12-hour days to closing deals in 4 hours. The call to action, CTA. Inspire immediate action. Example. Join 10,000 others who already made the switch. Section 3. Building authority through narrative. What? Authority comes from credibility, expertise, and trustworthiness communicated through story. Why? Customers need proof that your brand is the right guide for their journey. Story-driven authority positions you as both human and trustworthy. How? Share your origin story, why you started and the mission behind it. Use social proof, testimonials, case studies, milestones. Position your brand as having been where your customers are now. Example. Before, we sell financial coaching services. After, I used to drown in debt myself. Now, I've helped over 5,000 people break free from financial stress. Section 4. Emotional trigger words and sensory language. What are emotional triggers? Words or phrases that evoke feelings strong enough to inspire action. Why they work. Buying decisions are 90% emotional, 10% rational, Harvard Business School study. Emotions build loyalty and urgency. How to use them. Fear and loss, don't miss out. Before it's too late. Hope and aspiration, imagine the life you deserve. Belonging and identity, join a community of achievers. Urgency, only 24 hours left. Curiosity, what successful people don't tell you. Sensory language. Use words that stimulate the senses, makes the story feel real. Examples. Sight, bright, crystal clear design. Sound, the soothing hum of focus. Touch, soft as a cloud, strong as steel. Taste, a burst of zesty freshness. Smell, the aroma of fresh brewed success. Section 5. Case study, Apple's Think Different campaign. What happened? Launched in 1997 when Apple was struggling. The campaign didn't focus on features of computers. Instead, it celebrated visionaries and rebels, people who think different. Why it worked. It is connected with the aspiration of creativity and individuality. Customers identified not with the product, but with the movement and values. Apple became more than a tech company, a symbol of innovation and nonconformity. How to apply the lesson. Sell the why behind your brand, not just the product. Inspire customers to see themselves as part of a bigger mission. Focus on identity and belonging instead of specs. Section 6, Assignment. Task: write a brand story for a new product. Steps: identify the hero, your target customer. Define the conflict, their core problem or aspiration. Position the brand as the guide, show how you help. Describe the transformation, what life looks like after using your product. End with a compelling CTA, push for action. Format example. Hero: young professionals struggling with productivity. Conflict: feeling burnt out while trying to grow in their careers. Guide: a productivity app designed to simplify daily tasks. Transformation: more time for growth, hobbies, and self-care. CTA: start your free trial today and take back your time. Deliverables: a 500 to 700 word brand story with emotional triggers, sensory language, and a clear CTA. Wrap up. Stories sell because they connect on a human level. Emotional triggers turn attention into action. Authority and authenticity build trust. Apple's Think Different proves sell values, not features. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.